Just Sawdust workshop. Today is the day. Going to fit the roof light. So I made this frame, and as it happens, it fits exactly between the two construction, beams in here. So it's exactly in the middle, and I had to take out these little notches to make everything flat. So now it's just a matter of drilling from the inside a few holes and then cut it out from the outside. But I had to put this in first to exactly know where the corners are. So let's do it. It's been a hot day. We did the gluing in yesterday evening. It's now the next morning about 10 o'clock, and yeah, happy with how the project turned out. So I used this Azinol silicone remover to clean the surface where there should be glue, and I used Polymax for the inner circle of the roof light, and then used Sikaflex for sealing everything. But it's that I bought this Sikaflex because everybody uses it and it's well known, but to be honest, I think when I have to mount something else, I just buy Polymax. Works much better, much cleaner, and does the same thing. Yeah, I think this Sikaflex is overrated a bit. But yeah, it's done. Now there are no big seams of that caulk coming out of there. It's all smooth. I mean, there's 5 centimeters of this Sikaflex underneath, that lip that you put on the roof. There are all kinds of channels in there, and all these channels are filled with this stuff and then pushed down by the screw. So there's no way there's water coming in there. So I just made like a 2mm little seam around the roof light. It doesn't need to be all this, mess. And then of course this stuff you can put on paint too. You clean it with this cleaner, and then it sticks to paint, and then that, the plastic sticks to this. That means if you can stick this to paint, you can always stick paint to this. So I painted it all nicely over, and everything's in the same color. Yeah, really happy with it. Looks fine. So now we have to put that solar panel rack on, and it's going to be, more or less the same way, with Polymax probably, and some screws, and got to cut holes for all the cables, but that's for our next video. So for now, enjoy your summer. Hope it's not as hot as here, and see you in the next video. Uit de logo.